How to export your project from Base44 in 2025. So this step-by-step guide will help you download your entire build in just minutes. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Head to Base44 and log into your account. From your dashboard, choose the project that you want to export. Step 2. Once inside the project editor, you can look for the export icon at the top right corner of the screen, and it usually looks like an arrow pointing out of a box. Step 3. Click the export button and choose your preferred format options, and it usually include HTML or CSS, React, or a full zip package, and then select your desired format. Step 4. Confirm any settings such as export directory structure, component optimization, and assets packaging, and then click download. Step 5. Your download will now begin instantly, and once complete, you will have a clean export of your Base44 project ready for deployment or editing. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.